Hello everyone. I hope you're doing okay with the house arrest that we are under from coronavirus. With the house arrest in mind, let me explain to you. This video footage was taken at the very early stages of the coronavirus issue, and we were not under the restrictions that we are now. Just so you know, this was taken before that. Not that long ago, I did a video about how I wanted to raise the seat of my twin troller. And I wound up using a couple of pieces of 2x6, cut them down, and that stacked them on top of each other, and that raised my seat by about 3 inches, as you can see here. When I did that, I didn't know if it was going to work or not, whether or not I'd like it or not. In this video, I go fishing for the first time in the twin troller with my seat raised. I raised my seat by about 3 inches. I've got quite a response from people about wanting to do something similar. And recently I got some pictures from Chip from Iowa, who went to a Bass Pro Shops, bought a pre-made riser for his seat, which then raises it by about 7 inches, as you can see right here. Well, mine's 3 inches, his is 7 inches. He hasn't tried his yet, so I don't know how well it works. I only know from this video, you'll see that I'm trying mine for the first time. So stay with me and see what we do. In the description below this video, there are links to most of the items used in many of my videos. They are there so you can locate them in case you are interested. Hi, my name's Gerry, and I'm a twin troller boat owner. All right, it's before sunrise, not too far. It's starting to get light out, and I'm going fishing. Tired of sitting at home in the house, and let's go see what happens. I'm the only one at the boat launch. Guess everybody else is working, or not. Although my texts are coming in this time of the morning, so somebody's awake. Okay, got my rope tied on. Give myself a little push. Slides off the trailer. I'm in less than knee-deep water. It's pretty warm. We're getting towards that time of the year. All right, let's untie the twin troller. I throw the rope in the back of the vehicle. Take the twin troller, I drag it over here into the corner. This corner has lots of sand on it, so I drag it over here just to not have the bottom of the twin troller on the bare concrete. Okay, the vehicle's parked. Got my wide-brimmed hat. I'm already wearing my life jacket. Here's my bag that I put my wallet in. Should for some reason it go over the side, it will actually float. And I put the car keys in there. And I toss that in the back. I might even try and get some bait today. I text somebody, my wife, and let her know I'm okay and that the boat is launched. And 45 minutes from now, I will do that again, because my watch is set up to beep in 45 minutes. And as you can see, it's starting to get light out. There's no lights on the Twin Troller, but that's okay for me right now. I won't go out into the main lake. I'll stay in this channel here for a while. By the time I get out of here and decide to go out into the main lake, it will certainly be light enough that that won't be of concern. All right, well, first fish of the morning. Didn't get too far. And I'm fishing with a whopper plopper, top order, right here in the channel. And not a bad fish. All right, thank you, fishy. Bye now. I don't know what I got, but let's see. All right, this is a bass. Not much of a bass, but it is. All right, buddy. All right, just about as long, well, pretty close as my whopper plopper. See you later, buddy. I'm not even close to the open water, and I can see the water is pretty choppy out there. And I don't know. Of course, I'm halfway up. I'm on Lake Toho. I'm halfway up the lake. So it has the entire length of the lake, or half the lake, coming out of the south, unrestricted to pick up speed to get all the way here. So I guess some of that's to be expected. Let me make a comment just in case, for all of you folks that are wondering what I think of the new idea of raising my seat by 3 inches. And come on, fishy, and he missed it. And I want to tell you, I really do like it. I can see better, I can cast better. It's actually a little bit more comfortable to me. Let's try it again. Hit it again. Come on. No, I guess not. So my conclusion is, I am glad that I raised my seat by the 3 inches that I did, that you saw in the other video. And I like it so much that I have already installed it on my second seat. And I'm happy that I did. Well, I came over here to catch some golden shiners. Yeah, but I'm catching brim. That's all right. I'll take them. I'll put them in my lake by my house, and we'll feed the bass. Now what I'm using is a extremely small hook, a slip bobber with 2 split shots on the bottom, and I have it at a depth of about 2.5 feet. There we go. Well, I guess catching bluegills is fine. Yeah, that's 4 so far. Yeah. Maybe I'll get lucky and eventually catch a shiner. And this is what I'm using. Small worms. I cut them in half, so they're about this long. And then I thread them on the hook. Kind of like that. Got a little rag I brought with me to try and clean my hands off a little. Well, I don't know if you can see out there in open water, it's white caps everywhere. There's large rollers like the ones you see here coming all the way in here into the weeds. A second ago, some of them actually crested in their white tops right in here. So looks like I will not be going out there in order to get back. I'll have to run through the inside if I can get through the hydrilla. Well, I'm in the backwaters, and you can see the rollers that are way back here. Out here in open water, way out there, there's whitecaps everywhere. It's supposed to be 5 to 10 mile an hour winds coming out of the south. Somebody should fire that meteorologist. Well, caught some fish early this morning, and now it's been a long time since I got another bite. I got a bite here. First time in a long time. It's on a swim bait, skinny dipper. Actually, I got several hits on it, on a couple of casts. And then I just did a hook set and I missed the fish. So I'm trying to stay back just a little bit. Make long casts. Fish finder says I'm in 2.8 feet of water. Let me change bait. I'm going to go back to the whopper plopper. It's really windy out on the main lake, and fishing's been pretty slow. I did get a bite the last couple of minutes, but I'm going home. I hope you liked the video. We did a little fishing, but I also got an opportunity to try my raised seat for the Twin Troller. My conclusion is that I like it. It allows me to cast better. It allows me to see better into the water. It allows me to turn around in my seat easier. Personally, it also has my knees not bent much as when the seat is 3 inches lower. For me, that works. I've got a bad knee, and it seems to help. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. Push the bell if you want. Leave some comments below. Share this with your friends. One other thing I want to say. Stay safe. Follow the guidelines. We're going to get through this, but only if we all cooperate. See you later.